that's marijuana?
What, sweetie?
What if that's marijuana in there? Hot out.
Oh, really?
I don't know. I'm just wondering.
Oh.
I thought I read there's a farm out here.
Oh, yeah? Marijuana farm?
Not. Could be wrong.
But you could be right. Not as pretty when it's green, but it's still pretty.
It's still beautiful out here.
Yeah.
It's so open, huh?
I know. It's just brown.
This will be a good shot for your video.
Oh, I'm taping. I'm taping, baby. Motorcycle. This is an awesome motorcycle road.
Yeah, it is. I like it. It's good on a bicycle. I used to ride my bicycle out here.
Really? Oh, wow.
Yeah. What,
Oh, look, there's the ocean, Gary.
Yeah.
Cool.
The old Cuesta Biathlon came out here.
Oh, yeah? Huh.
I don't have that anymore.
Oh.
It was fun.
Dude, you're spitting up rocks on me.
I did it several years.
You're spitting rocks up on me, Gary. I'm gonna have to back away from you a little bit. Oh, yeah. I feel like I'm out in the middle of nowhere.
I know.
It's pretty cool. Unless we get a flat tire. Did you just puff your cheeks?
Huh?
Did you just puff your cheeks?
How did you know?
I heard you make that little noise you make when you puff your cheeks.
Oh, it's my teeth chattering.
Oh, it's not that cold, Gary. Gary! It's probably 70 degrees right now.
70.
Did I call it?
Yeah.
All right. I'm good. Wonder if we'll see
I have your jacket.
any wildlife. You want to trade jackets?
No.
This jacket's awesome. Oh, a little creek, Gary.
Yeah. That,
All right, come on, baby. Let's go.
it's very gravelly.
Okay.
You want me to hurt myself?
No.
You want me to hurt your bike?
No. It's
Which would you rather get hurt?
my bike.
Me or their bike?
My bike.
Wow.
Yes. I don't want you getting hurt. These little marshlands right here.
Yeah.
Little marshy area. Is there a name for that?
Well, it's the back bay. It's the back. It's called the back bay.
The Back Bay?
Yeah, the back part of Morro Bay
Ah.
is over there.
Yeah, but isn't there a name
I
for
wonder
it?
if it goes underneath the highway.
Isn't
Oh,
there
there's
a name for it though?
yeah, it comes all the way back here.
Yeah, it's a name for it. I'm trying to say there's a name for it.
Tidal water, tidal
No,
pool.
no, it's not it. That's not it. No, that's not it.
Crimson Tide.
Wait, let me get a little view of it. No, that's
Do you want to go into Morro Bay and get a Foster freeze?
no. I'm stuffed,
Oh,
or I would
oh
if I
great.
wasn't. Why did you want to, baby?
No,
I'll gladly ride in there with you.
no,
But I'm pretty darn full.
I don't want it.
Aren't you full?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, baby.
What?
That's
Oh,
what.
Bless you.
I was trying to warn you. Woo!
That was a good one.
Oh yeah. Woo.
Hi, sweet babe. Remember when most gas stations had, garages
Uh huh.
with mechanics?
Yep.
When did that stop? Now they have convenience stores.
Yeah. I don't know.
I wonder why.
Maybe because their cars are made better now, and they don't
maybe
break.
that's-
Maybe they don't break
Well,
down
you
as
know
often.
what? That may be why. Oh, look, there's your boyfriend.
My boyfriend.
Yeah.
What the hell are you talking about? You're my
Didn't
boyfriend.
you go out on a date with some guy who's into that?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. That was so long ago, Gary. That was like when I was 29. That's when I was like
Yes.
29 years old.
Yes.
Good grief.
That's hilarious.
Let me bring back something from your past.
What?
Let's bring back something from your past, Gary.
I'm clean, baby.
What about that lady you were dating that threw a pot roast out your front door or your back door? What about her?
That's uncool, man. Can't believe you brought that up.
Gary was dating a lady and she thought she could just come into his house and make him a meal whenever she wanted, and he wasn't there, and when he got home she was there, and Gary said nope, and she threw the pot roast out the back door.
You know, she's lucky I didn't shoot her. No, really.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was in my house.
Uh,
I don't think women came to me crazy. I think I made them crazy.
well, then what's my story?
I'm like a carrier.
What's my story?
Oh, come on, Alex.
I'm not crazy.
Be upfront with your viewers.
I'm not crazy.
You're nuttier than a pecan pie.
Oh. I'm going to run over your foot right now.
Better not.
Then
I'll put your bike down.
Take that comment back.
I'll put your beloved Triumph down.
Wow, look at that big bus over there, baby. Wow.
But it's a
What
visiting sports team.
Oh, you think so? Wow. Lux bus. I think it's going to take up the whole road. What?
I gotta pull over.
Uh-oh, what's wrong? Oh, well, where are you pulling over?
I don't know.
Oh, Gary.
I gotta go bad.
You do? Well, sweetheart, this is really not a good area to pull over. With the sun in people's eyes.
What?
Why don't you just go to Kennedy?
I don't want to go with Kennedy.
Well, okay, where are you gonna go, baby? You just can't go right here. Sweetheart.
How about this school?
Oh my gosh, baby, are we turning here? No, okay,
No.
Okay, I got a
All
guy.
right.
No, there's nobody behind
All right,
me.
I'll go with Kennedy.
All right, just go to Kennedy. All right, sweetheart, I'll just wait here for you.
Okay.
Where are we, Gary?
We're at the Cambria Christmas.
Back up. Jesus. Okay, go.
We're at the Cambria Christmas market.
Are we?
We are. It's beautiful. Millions of lights.
Wow.
I thought that was pretty funny.
My husband.